Let's face it, unexpected appliance repairs can get expensive. Well, imagine never having to worry about the cost of an appliance repair again. That's the peace of mind you get with Sears Protect. With a Sears Protect Home Warranty, we'll cover the cost of those surprise repairs for any brand, no matter where you bought it. And if our trusted, experienced pros can't fix it, we'll replace it. That means you're covered for up to 12 appliances, all throughout your home, all for one affordable monthly payment. Even if you don't need a repair, Sears Protect can save you thousands of dollars in potential bonus value. Like 2 annual heating and cooling tune-ups, 15% off parts for your DIY projects, and 12% off home improvements. We know better than anyone. When your appliances stop, sometimes you can't. So avoid all the hassle of searching in the moment. A Sears Protect Home Warranty is your solution to breakdowns before they even happen. So sign up for Sears Protect and start taking advantage of all these benefits today.